Good morning, all of you. Today we'll do the revision of the literature chapter Plowing the Road. Okay, it is a Romanian folk tale. So let's see how much you remember from this chapter. First, we'll begin with a reference to the context. We don't have any word meanings in this chapter, very easy one. So let's start with reference to the context. Kill all the old men of the land. They have lived their lives. Who said these words and to whom?
The young king said these words to his young advisors.
His young advisors. The young king said these words to his
Young advisor.
young advisors. Okay.
Yes.
Alright. Why did the speaker decide to kill all the old men?
After a drought, there was not enough food left in the country to feed everyone. The young king decided that the old men of the country had lived their life and were of no use anymore. So he decided to kill them all.
Alright. Yes, anyone else? But be a little more loud. Someone else?
After a drought, there was not enough food left in the country to feed everyone. The young king decided that the old men of the country have lived their life and were of no use anymore. So he decided to kill them all.
Okay. Alright. Do you think the speaker was making the right decision?
No, the young king was not making the right decision.
Okay. No, the young king was not making the right decision. Okay, fine. Alright, the second one. All the granaries are empty. There is no seed even to sow. We shall all die of hunger. Who said these words and to whom?
The young man said these words to his father.
Alright, so the young man said to his father,
Father,
okay, why had the granaries become empty?
The granaries had become empty because there was a famine and in the country and there was no seed even to sow in the land.
Alright. What is a famine, by the way? Famine?
Drought.
Drought is something else. What is drought? Okay, first tell me what is drought, then tell me what is famine. Drought leads to famine. What is drought? Yes, anyone? Drought?
Ma'am, shortage of water.
Alright. Shortage of water. Extreme shortage of water is drought. What do you call that in Hindi?
Ma'am, पानी की कमी.
No. There's one single word.
सूखा पड़ना.
Sukha. Okay. Alright. Now when there is drought, it finally leads to, if you have a shortage of water for quite some time, it will lead to famine. What is famine?
Ma'am, shortage of food.
Alright. Shortage of food. What you call that in Hindi? We say there's a famine in that country. What does famine means? Anyone with a Hindi word?
Ma'am, akal.
Akal. Okay, right. Okay, so why had the granaries become empty? Because there was a famine in the country and there was no seed even to sow in the land. Okay. Did the person being spoken to have a solution?
Yes, the old man had a solution.
Okay, the old man had a solution. This doing is not of your own wisdom. No doubt your father has told you whom you have kept alive. Speak the truth, and I will spare your life. What had the young man done? What had the young man done? Yes, what had the young man done?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
What had the young man done?
The young man yield a very good crop on the road.
Alright, the young man had yielded a very good crop on the road. So the young man had yielded a very good crop on the road, and that was when there was a famine in the land. How did the king come to know what the young man had done?
The king
Or
came to know from the young man's neighbors.
Neighbors what the young man has done.
Okay, so the king he came to know from the young man's neighbors what he had done. So they came to know from his neighbors. How did the king guess that the young man had kept his father alive? How did the king guess about it?
the king guessed that
The
the
king
young man had
guessed
done.
Yes, Yoshita?
the king guessed that the king guessed that the young man had kept his father alive because only an old person could help the young people in this dire situation with his wisdom and experience.
All right. Okay, so the king guessed that the young man had kept his father alive because in such a dire situation, means in such a situation, when there is no hope, in a hopeless situation, only an old person can come up with a solution with his wisdom and experience. And so this helped the king to guess that he has kept his old father alive. Okay, let's move on to answer the questions. How was the young man different from the others? How was
Ma'am,
the
why
young man
were
different? Yes.
While the other was following the order of killing the old men of the land with greatest strictness, the young man did not have the heart to kill his father. He chose to save him. This made the young man different from the others.
Okay, someone else? I was not able to hear that very clearly. Will someone else tell that a little more loudly?
Mom, while the others were following the king's order of killing the old men of the land with the greatest strictness, the young man did not have the heart to kill his old father. He chose to save him. This made the young man different from others.
All right. So while all the other young men of the country, they went on following the king's order by killing the old men of the land, and they did this with utter strictness. But this young man, he did not have the heart to kill his own father, and so he chose to save his father, and this made him different from the rest of the young men, or from the rest of the others. Okay. What was the young man's plan to save his father? What plan did he make to save his father?
To save his father, the young man hid him in the cellar under the house. There he fed him and looked after him. He would only visit him at the night.
Alright. Someone else with the same answer? Yes? Will someone else tell me the same answer? Come on, hurry up. Very short one.
To save his father, the young man hid him in the cellar under the house. There he fed him and looked after him. He would visit his father only at night.
Alright, so to save his father, the young man he decided to hid him in the cellar. There was a small room under his house, you can say an underground room in his house, and so he decided to hide his father there. And there quietly he used to bring him food, and he looked after him, and only at night he used to visit his father in fear that someone will see him doing that. Okay, what problem did the country face when summer came? When summer came, what was the problem that the country faced? Yes?
Ma'am, your
Yes, Mojit?
voice is not coming. Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
My voice is
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Beta, network, it is
I'm
showing.
coming.
Ma'am, coming, ma'am.
Coming.
Ma'am, network issue, ma'am.
Because here at my end, the
Ma'am,
network
network
is
issue.
full. I don't know what is the problem. Okay. What problem did the country face when summer came?
Ma'am, when summer came, there was such a drought in the country that not even a drop of rain fell. Then the crops were burned off and the trees were withered. And ma'am, this was following by a severe winter. Heavy snow fell and covered all the fields, and there were no seeds. There were not even seeds left for sowing in the springtime. And ma'am, people and cattle were dying of starvation.
Alright, okay. So, when summer came, then there was such a drought, there was so much shortage of water in the country that for months there was not even a drop of rain that fell from the sky, and as a result the crops they all got dried, they were all burnt off, and then after that what happened, the trees, because there was no water, so they became dry, they withered, and then there was dearth, means there was death and famine in the land. Dearth, there was shortage, death, famine in the land, and after this, so there was drought, and then it was followed by a very severe, very cold winter, and heavy snow fell, and it covered the fields, and so no food was left, and there was not even enough seeds for sowing the fields in springtime, and people and cattle, they were all dying of starvation. Okay, what advice did the old father give to his son? How was his advice helpful?
The old father asked his son to plow up the road in front of the house and the next road too. The advice proved to be helpful as in the next few days all kinds of grains sprouted and grew from the ground which had been tilled.
Which had been tilled. Okay, so yes, anyone else with the same answer? Anyone else with the same answer? Come on.
The old father asked his son to plow up the road in front of the house and the next road too. The advice proved to be helpful as in the next few days all kinds of grains sprouted and grew from the ground which had been tilled.
Which had been tilled. Okay. Alright. So what did the old father advise his son? He advised him to plow up the field. To plow up the road that was in front of his house, and he also asked him to plow up the next road, also means not only the road in front of his house but also the next road, and this advice, it proved to be helpful. Why? Because in the next few days all kinds of grains, they sprouted and they grew from the ground which had been tilled. So the ground had been tilled, and from there grains of all kind, they sprouted. What was the main idea behind the old man's advice? How did the crops grow on the roads? Because the crops, they normally grow on the fields. So how this time they grew on the roads? What was the main idea behind the old man's advice? Yes.
The old man's advice was to utilize the seeds that fell to the ground from the passing cars. These seeds were trodden into the earth by the passers-by. The earth had become moist and soft through the melting snow in the winter. When the young man plowed up the road, the crops grew on the roads.
Alright. Anyone else with the same answer?
The main idea behind the old man's advice.
Carry on. Yes, Joshita, are you having network issues?
Place the
Someone else tell the answer if she's having some network issues. Nusra, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, tell this answer.
Ma'am, the main idea behind the old man's advice was to utilize the seeds that fell to the ground from the passing carts. These seeds were trodden into the earth by the passers by. Earth had become moist and soft through the melting snow in the winter. When the young man plugged up the ground, the crops grew on the road.
Alright, it is plowed up the ground. Alright, so the main idea was that when on the road the carts they go to and fro, and the carts laden with all kinds of grains, they pass the street, they pass the road to and fro, and many of the seeds they fell on the road, and then they are trodden down, means people walk over them and they go into the earth. And though there was drought in the summers, but during winters there was heavy snow, and so the earth had become soft from this melting snow in the winter. And when the young man he plowed up the ground, so the crops they grew on the roads. Okay, so that was the chapter.